It's April 18 today, and we are heading towards Batam, Indonesia. So we're currently here in Harbourfront Ferry Terminal. So, tawid dagat tayo ngayon. Katulad ng ginawa namin ni Kuya DM sa Macau, from Hong Kong to Macau.
Ikaw mag-vlog. Ako mag-vlog sa kanila. Check in out.
Already our ferry. Yes. Here.
Getting a tour package now that is true kasi hassle free siya. You don't need to think of what's going to do next. There is naman yung asset. Transition. Okay. See you again next time guys.
So, since we are heading to Batam, Indonesia, our 100 Singapore dollars needs to be converted into currency of Indonesia. So let's see how much yung equivalent nito sa kanila. It's 1.1 million.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. So see, milyonaryo ako dito sa Indonesia. So you're right, Daddy. I'm a millionaire for today. So my 100 Singapore dollar is equivalent to 1.1 million Indonesian rupee. Naging 1D millionaire tayo dahil. So this is just basically 4,000 pesos in the Philippines. Yan, milyonaryo po ako today. So we are now heading towards the boarding area. Definitely, we will be passing through immigration. To board our ferry. So departure time is 8:40. It's now 8:05. Go around. Boarding now. Boarding now. Ours is 40.
Sige. Okay, bye for now.
Indonesia guys. Aglaan. Sailing already. Look at the cable cars on there. And cable car.